going to change the battery today. You can see here my little plastic pieces fell off a long time ago. You're going to need a 10 millimeter socket. You're also going to need a deep socket 30 or 13 to get these bolts right here, one on each side. Take this tray off. I also brought some bungee cords, gloves I'll wear when I'm doing the swap, as well as some extra gloves to isolate the terminals whenever I'm taking them in and out. And we did go with the same battery that came with the Motorcraft battery. As you can see here, same battery from the factory. As you'll see here, we're going to get our deep socket 13 millimeter with a long extension on our trusty wrench to take off these two nuts that are on each side of the battery that holds that clamp down that basically secures the battery to the tray. You'll just do that. You just want to be careful on the opposite side from what you're seeing here. Once you get that nut loose, you don't want to drop it down inside there, so just be careful with that. Other than that, it's just pretty quick and easy. Alright, so now we're going to use the 10 millimeter socket to remove the terminals. So you want to start out with the negative here, and then we'll go to the positive. And once they're off, then you're ready to pull the old battery out and put the new one on. You'll notice here we use some gloves and we also use some bungee cord just to kind of keep those wires out of the way while we're trying to maneuver the battery in and out, so that way we don't accidentally hit anything or short circuit anything. Just another little quick tip. I mean, you could do this multiple ways, but this is just the way we chose to do it. It might be a good time just to look, make sure there's nothing in the bottom of the tray there, and that little cover. That cover does come out if you think it's easier to do it that way, but we just left it in and bent the fold back, and then that way we just put the battery right back in the way it came out. Well, now that you got the new battery in, you just reverse the process that you already did, putting stuff back on. Make sure you got good and tightened down, and after that, you're done. You just do the BCM reset, and you're good to go. We'll show you a little bit of that here in just a moment.
Just a note, whenever you're tightening these bolts up and these nuts up on the terminals and the tray, there's no need to torque it overly hard. Just get it really good and snug and you should be fine.
All right, there's the old one. Take it back to Ferd, get our core charge back, we'll be ready to go. All right, we got the battery in. Now we're going to do a reset. Now I found this offline. Feel free to see it. Now this may or may not be true, but we're going to try to follow in. And the first thing it says to get inside, close all doors and windows, turn on the ignition, but don't start it, which we do. Flash the high beams 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then press the brake, hit the brake hard 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Which it's not doing anything. It says battery light starts to flash, but I'm not seeing that. Oh, there it goes. All right, and turn the ignition off. And now we'll crank this up and see if we're ready to go. Woohoo! Yay! The only really downside is we gotta reconfigure our dash. So this is a 2021. And since we're in here, let's show you what we do. If you look kind of me with Evo, just out of curiosity, I don't really give a shit about the trips. Off-road, yep, leave it on. Power distribution, I dig it. I don't give a shit about seat belts. Gauges for sure. Turbo boost. And battery voltage for sure. And that's our little thing here. As you can see here, 14.4. Looks like we're cranking pretty good even with the headlights on because it's a little dark outside.
Once again, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it a lot. Real quick and easy change, nothing much to it, just some simple hand tools. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any thoughts or questions or suggestions down in the comments below. See you until the next adventure. Peace.